Technology innovation has continued to result in new tools and capabilities that allow businesses to do things better, faster, and at less of a cost. A major technological advance today has come in the form of commercial service robotics. Robots are in a phase of rapid evolution, supported by advances in related technology areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, the Internet of Things, and advanced sensors and vision systems. A recent IDC survey found that over 90% of North American organizations polled across multiple industries are using, piloting, researching, or planning to deploy commercial service robotics. Robotics companies have been able to apply innovations across a broad range of technologies, allowing them to deliver smart, collaborative, connected, and mobile robots. At IDC, we help organizations understand who the robotics innovators are, what advances in robotic technology mean for them, when to consider robots, where robots can add the most value, why robots are important to the future of operations, and how to capitalize on this amazing technology area.